Happy Sunday. It is the 62nd day of the second half of 2014, August the 31st. And it is a beautiful day today on the canal. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. No people. Let's see. Look at the trees, look at the birds, look at the clouds, look at the stars, and if you have eyes, you will be able to see that the whole existence is joyful. Everything is simply happy. Trees are happy for no reason. They're not going to become prime ministers or presidents, and they're not going to become rich, and they will never have any bank balance. Look at the flowers for no reason. It is simply unbelievable how happy flowers are. Osho. So I thought that was beautiful. So have a super, super, super Sunday fun day.